Hey, what is up, intelligent people? Mr. Sicko and asks you right here. We have Uniswap. Okay, what's happening with Uniswap? We have built a lot of liquidity like right here, but like to be honest with y'all, I think that we're gonna have like in the near future gonna have like a big hit to the downside after we broke this low, like a big one. All right, I'm just gonna go through a weekly time frame like real quick, just trying to find. Let's go 5 day time frame, 4 day one, 3 day time frame. See, yeah, like I think that we are gonna mitigate this beautiful down movement before the up movement, but at the same time, this is a more okay. This right here is a more valid one. Why? Is because this is just like this just builds liquidity. We have a liquidity duck, and also if I go to the, it's gonna be 96 hour time frame. No, we don't have that. 48 hour time frame. Oh damn. So let's go 2 hours to today time frame. That's how it looks like. So I'm just gonna move them both to the side. You see, we already mitigated this. The 50% is around this point, so we're gonna see how they will play out. Always believe the price may come back to the upside from here on. So have a wonderful day, guys. We'll be keeping you updated. Okay, I think a Uniswap piece. Uh, I think it's gonna undergo some type of like bearish movements. Okay, bearish structure, and after that we could take the things higher. Okay, so I will be keeping you updated. No worries with that. Do not forget the to join the Discord community for absolutely free. And that's about it for today. Bye.